Hi there, students. Ample, an adjective. Amply, the adverb. Okay, so ample just means more than enough or a lot of. So you will have ample time to finish what you're doing before we leave. More than enough. There is ample evidence that he knew what he was doing was wrong. You will be given ample warning before you have to leave your house. Okay, so an abundant quantity, something that's plentiful. Is that enough water for you, for your needs? Yes, that's ample. There is ample space to put a table and chair in that corner. Our house is very ample. Notice here just means very large. There's more than enough space for people. Our house is ample, and you can come and stay for as long as you like. £1,000 should be an ample budget for what you need to do. Okay, we'll have ample time to stop for a drink and something to eat on the way to the airport. Yeah, my hosts provided for me amply. Yeah, they gave me lots of everything I needed. You can also use ample as a bit of a euphemism to say that something's big. So, John is fat. Well, he's of ample stature. Okay, he's ample stomach. He's got a great big stomach. Yeah, and you can use it like that as a euphemism to say very big, very fat. So ample, enough, more than enough. Yeah. You can talk about body size or clothes or things like that. There will be ample opportunity for everybody to give their point of view. The research project was amply funded. It was well funded. You should have ample money for your holiday when you leave, because you've saved quite a lot. He has an ample figure. He's rather fat, buxom, portly. Yeah. You have ample space to grow vegetables as well as flowers in your garden. So abundant, plentiful, galore. Yeah, plenteous, plenty of. The police found ample evidence that he was clearly guilty of this crime. The estate agent showed us round the house, and all of the rooms were quite ample. Yeah, they were quite large in size. Is this ample for your needs? Is this sufficient to meet your needs? I hope there is ample food at the party, because I hate parties where there's not enough to eat. The mother gave her son an ample portion of pudding. Yeah, she served him amply. She gave him quite a lot. Okay, this is you will receive an ample reward for your hard work. The garage at the back means we've got ample storage space. I don't like these tiny pokey little kitchens. I prefer an ample kitchen where I've got room to work. Okay. There is ample room for you to put your things in this cupboard. Okay, so characterized by abundance, having plenty of room, full measure, an ample portion, large in size, yeah, an ample stomach, yeah. He's a very ample gentleman. Okay, so to have ample time, to have ample space, to have ample money, to have ample food, it means enough, yeah? Fully sufficient, plenty, yeah? Ample time, ample numbers, ample space. Also, you could use it in the way meaning not contracted, not concise or brief. He explained the situation amply, yeah, not in a few words, but he gave all of the details, an ample description, extensive, yeah, copious. Okay, so ample. So, how formal is ample? This word is a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. It's a really good word to use in your writings because it's a word students tend not to use, and it's not a difficult one to use. So use ample amply when writing. And the origin comes from Latin amplus, meaning large, which probably came for ambi plus, which means full on both sides. Ambi, both, and plus from plenus, full, so full on both sides. Okay, so I think I've given ample explanation. I've explained this quite amply. I guess you could even have a noun, ampleness, but I think that's probably not less common. Okay, so that's more than ample. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ample, amply.